Raideep ji, I have read Dr. Guleria's statement in the newspapers. I haven't really spoken to him about his views on this subject. But I am an eternal optimist. And you look at the figures in India right now, we have some 55,000 odd cases. Our recovery rate is 30%. 17,000 patients have returned home after having got cured completely. Our mortality rate continues to be around 3%, probably the lowest in the whole world. The global average is around 7%. And look at our population. It's a country of 135 crores. 20 top countries of the whole world. If you combine their population, I think we are equal to that. And look at the figures, their mortality rate, look at the number of cases that they are suffering from, look at the number of unfortunate deaths and the numbers of people who have succumbed there. I think we are performing so well as compared to the rest of the world. And we have had some of the best interventions, the most important of them being the historic lockdown announced by our Prime Minister. People behaved so responsibly, they showed utmost discipline, commitment, and the results are there to show everything. You see, our curve is already quite steady, and during the course of the last 3.5 months, we have never seen an exponential growth in the curve. Do you remember there was one gentleman, a great scientist who was director of a very famous institute in America, an Indian. He had recently come to India. He was interviewed by many TV channels, including BBC. He had predicted that India will have about 300 million cases, and about 4 to 5 million of those cases will be very critical. He had, in fact, had a forecast of a tsunami sort of thing for the coronavirus in India.
Yes.
And that he had predicted for May, June. I don't think anything of that sort has happened in India. These mathematical calculations, and that he also had, I think, calculated on the basis of the developments in America and UK. I think the lockdown has been very, very effective. The very fact that you acknowledge that our doubling rate is 11 days now, it itself gives you the answer. Before the lockdown, if I correctly remember, our doubling rate was about 3 to 4 days. And now it's ranging between 11 to 13 days, and sometimes it comes up to 10 days also. So it itself is a clear indication of the fact that lockdown has been very useful, very productive to control and manage coronavirus, and it itself is an indication of the success that we have been able to achieve in our fight against coronavirus. We have complete control of the situation in the whole country. Right now, you know, the whole country is divided into green, orange and red zones. We are very clear which are our unaffected districts. We are very clear which are our hotspots. We are very clear which are our non-hotspot districts. And we have a differential strategy for every district. And now, after having significantly measured and seen the success of the lockdown, we have come to a position where we have started relaxing the principles of lockdown in a differential manner. So I am sure that in times to come, we should be able to have a decisive win over coronavirus. I think we may have to take a call on this particular issue just before 17th of May. Moreover, I would love to say that our Prime Minister has, in no uncertain terms, declared our strategy very clearly when he said that Jaan is also important and Jahan is also important. So the future course of events will be decided according to this guiding principle.